Microsoft killed Internet Explorer in 2022, after 27 years just gone. But here's the thing, they never actually deleted it, they just buried it, and I wanted to see if I could find it. So I did. That's Internet Explorer running on Windows 11 right now. And by the end of this video, I will show you exactly what still works and what the internet looks like through a dead browser. Drop a like if you're curious too. So now let's get into it. Okay, let's open the browser and search how to run Internet Explorer on Windows 11. It's right here. How to enable and use Internet Explorer on Windows 11, 3 ways. Let's click on this article. Enable and use Internet Explorer on Windows 11 2022. This is quite dated, but I hope it will still work. Run Internet Explorer on Windows 11 with control panel trick. Press the Windows key to open start menu and search for internet options. So let's go here, search for internet options from the control panel. And now what? Move to the programs tab and click on manage add-ons. So internet properties, programs, and here we have it, manage add-ons. Let's click on it. And what is next? In the next window, click on learn more about toolbars and extensions. So here we have learn more about toolbars and extensions. What if I click on it and it just opens here in my default browser, which is Helium. Internet Explorer help. Internet Explorer 11 support ended, unfortunately. This method does not work. What if I try the next one here? Create a VBS shortcut to open Internet Explorer on Windows 11. First, right click on the desktop or any location. So if I close the properties here, let's right click here on the desktop, new, and select here text document. Now, if I scroll here down below, we have the step 2. Once the text file opens up, copy and paste the below code into the notepad file. So I guess I will just copy this like this. Then let's open the text file. Now, if I resize it slightly, let's just paste this inside. And what's next here? After that, click on file and save as. File, save as, or Control plus Shift plus S. And what's now? Here, click on the drop-down menu next to Save As Type and change it to all files. So Save As Type, it's right here, text documents, all files. After that, set a name for the shortcut with .vbs extension at the end. For example, I have named the file Internet Explorer VBS. So let's just copy this. Let's go here, file name, paste this inside. And what now? As you can see, the FBS file has been created on the desktop. So if I click here on save, we have the Internet Explorer right here. Maybe this will work right now. Double click on the VBS file and there you have it. So I guess this will work right now, hopefully. Now, when I open it, yeah, I think that this is Internet Explorer. It also has the icon here in the taskbar, but here the first page is just blank for some reason. What does this smiley do here? Send a smile. What if I click on this? So it opens a feedback hub. So I guess this is some kind of a rating for the browser. And now here I also have the icon inside the taskbar for the File Explorer. As you can see, there is no title for the File Explorer. What if I try here to right click? Let's try here to pin to taskbar. And now if I close it and go back here to the File Explorer, it just opens here the Edge browser. So I guess that when you pin here this new File Explorer on Windows 11, it opens only the Microsoft Edge. But if I run this thing, it opens the actual Microsoft Edge, as you can see. Now let me also see if I go here to the Task Manager, if the File Explorer is actually running. So here we have the Helium browser and Internet Explorer. It's right here. And it actually works, and it uses only 60 megabytes of the memory. Now let's see if it's actually usable here in 2026. So if I go here on the toolbar, let's search, for example, for Google. So it uses still Bing, classic Microsoft. So let's go here to Google, and here we are. It looks a bit dated, this Google page. So let's see if Google actually works. What if I search here for YouTube? Let's click on enter. Before you continue to Google, let's accept all. If you're having trouble accessing Google search, please click here or send feedback. Now, for some reason, Google is not working here inside the Internet Explorer. What if I go here to the settings to see if there are any other options? So we have add site to apps, view downloads, internet options. What if I click on this? So I guess those are just the regular browser settings. And what if I go here to About Internet Explorer, version 24H2, but for some reason, this is strange because I'm on 25H2. So here in the system settings, if I go to About, here down below, you can see my specifications for Windows 25H2. But for some reason here, it says 24H2. So I don't know what is going on here. Let's click on OK and let's try to search for YouTube. Maybe this will work. So YouTube, please update your browser. Your browser isn't supported anymore. Update it to get the best YouTube experience and our latest features. I guess YouTube also does not work. What if I go here and search for Wikipedia, for example? Wikipedia is here. It's loading wikipedia.org. I think it's going to work if I click here on English. Then if I go to one article, for example, from today's featured article, Operation Brevity. So I guess this works here. This is the latest data from Wikipedia. So I guess Wikipedia works. That is good. But what if I go, for example, to Twitter? So Twitter, let's search for that. X official website. It's loading, keeps loading. There is no sign in pop-up or sign up pop-up. So I guess X does not work. What if I try to go to Twitch? Let's go to Twitch. Unsupported browser, so Twitch does not work. What if I search for Discord? Discord is loading here. The fonts are slightly broken. What if I click here on login? Maybe this will work. I guess it does not work. And the website, it's still a bit broken. So yeah, unfortunately, Discord does not work. What if I go here, for example, to Gmail? Maybe Gmail will work. It will actually open the sign up. Now, unfortunately, Gmail also does not work. As you can see, it's all broken. Maybe if I go here for work, what if I click on this, working remotely? No, it does not work. So unfortunately, Gmail does not work either. Let's also try to go here to Apple to see if it actually works. Apple, let's click on apple.com. It's loading. Apple, it's also slightly broken, as you can see. It does not load any of the product images. And I guess here Apple does not work. What if I go here to the Microsoft? Now, Microsoft page also does not work. There's one thing which I would also like to try here with this Internet Explorer on Windows 11 in 2026. And this is if I go here to the Wayback Machine. And pretty much Wayback Machine is a website where you can go to a certain website back in time. For example, if I go here to web, and I guess this won't work. If I click on texts, maybe this will work. Audio, software. What if I here go to Wayback Machine, YouTube? Maybe this will work. Internet Archive, Digital Library. Let's see what we'll do here. Please click here if the page does not redirect automatically. Unfortunately, it just crashed. So I guess we won't be able to try here the Wayback Machine on the Internet Explorer as well. Can't reach this page. So one more thing which I would like to try is to download, for example, a different browser or a program. So if I go to Helium, maybe this will work. Helium browser. Let's click on their website. Yeah, it looks like this. What if I click on download Helium? No, it does not work. What if I go here to GitHub? GitHub is loading. And if I try to go here down below, let's go Helium for Windows. And now, as you can see, it's still loading. But what if I go here down below and let's click here on the releases 53, and here it's loading the asset. So maybe if this then loads, we will be able to download Helium on the computer. But unfortunately, it keeps loading. So I guess this won't work either. Maybe we can go to Brave. Brave browser download. Let's go here. Let's click on Windows. Do you want to run or save Brave browser setup.exe? So let's click on save. Running security scan. Download has completed. So if I click here on open folder, and yes, it actually worked. So at least we can download some files here from the Internet Explorer. And it pretty much works as I expected. Most of the websites are pretty much broken, as you've seen. It's not usable anymore. But the weird part, it still runs here inside Windows 11 somehow in 2026. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And one funny thing about Internet Explorer actually is that it didn't actually come back, but the internet just moved on.